G'day and welcome back to the third episode of our Deck It Yourself series. With the joists all down, we're going to go through and put on some joist tape to make sure they're nice and protected, and we're going to go the distance. Righto, so while he's off laying all the joist tape, I'm going to start fitting off these fascias. So we're just going to pre-drill and screw them in with these colour match screws that we just made, and then drill the holes for the deck lights. Okay, so we're just starting to cut all of our boards roughly to length. We're cutting them all at 1800. We can get 3 lengths at 1800 per 5/4. And we're just cutting them all to length now, and then we'll start fitting them all off. Coops, come here, come on.
We're going to start off by installing the edge boards first. We've placed the boards in position and are marking the joists so we know exactly where they're going to sit. Using an offcut, we can measure out exactly where our C-clips need to be so we can install the edge boards. We screw them into place every 450mm or so and push the edge boards into the C-clips, and now we can start laying some boards out.
These are our standard clips. We put these into the groove of the board like that. One on every joist, but then in the middle joist, the center joist here, we're going to get one of these locking clips. So we get the locking clip with your screw, push it in, and then you just push your board up, and Bob's your uncle. So we've got the majority of the boards down now, we're just cutting everything in, so there we go. Because the old decking was only 19mm thick and the Ekodeck's a little bit thicker, what we're going to do is just use an offcut as a guide and run our multi-tool up along that to cut this out. So we've got enough clearance to slide the boards in under this door jamb here. Okay, so finished up the third day. End of the day, we've been rained out, but we managed to get all the boards down, and then we'll come back tomorrow morning to cut in our breakers and finish off those edge boards.